Creators, I'm going to tell you how you can save a lot of time and get more content out rapidly. Check it out. We're talking about not editing your videos. Yes, I know it's crazy, but I'm going to say it again. We're talking about not editing your videos, like recording your video and just uploading it. That's a little controversial, but I just saw this great video by my homie Omar, and it's funny because I recently had the same exact thought. More creators would get better at just putting out the content if they didn't sweat the editing conundrum. You will hear creators all the time say the one thing that stops them from creating more content is they do not like editing. I need to find an editor. I don't know how to edit. I don't know which program I should use. Adobe Final Cut, Premiere, whatever's. And so what if we just give you permission not to edit? What if you just plan your situation? You see Omar's slide, plan your situation, come in and do your talk, and just do your talk and let it out. I'm going to take it one step further. Now, Omar's video is really dope, and I suggest you watch it. I'm actually doing this right now in Ecamm, and what Ecamm even allows me to do is make for those fancy, sweet overlays that you're going to put together in Final Cut anyway. So I can hit one of these and take you to a whole different look. And with this look, I can even do the get your attention pop-up. What? Do I have your attention now? Aloha, by the way. I can make that pop-up go the way. Look, I could come here and I could get into doing a presentation. And in my presentation, I could give you the information and I could cut through my slides and go through my slides. And let's say I want to back up. You know what? I could back up, come out and talk about this. Or I can go back to this. What if I want to go all the way back to my initial slide? I can come back over here and start all over again. So yes, I can give you permission to do your videos, your streams, your presentations, teach what you got to teach, show what you got to show, talk about House of Dragons. You can talk about whatever you want, and you just got to get used to just talking extemporaneously. This whole video itself is not scripted. My people know me. I'm just good at bringing this stuff off the top of my dome. But this is not an overnight thing. This is years and years and years of talking to my friend's chagrin, but it allows you to just talk to people, and this will give you that organic connection. People want to know you. They want to know your fancy editing skills. They don't want to know your slide game. They want to know you. You are the expert. You are the person who is giving them the information that they need. You're going to allow them to feel comfortable in their situation. I'm telling you right now that yes, you can absolutely do this without editing. Check this out. I'm going to show you a little tricksy here. This right here is my buddy, Alec Johnson. Alec runs a channel called Take One Tech. This guy doesn't edit any of the videos, but he goes in and he's talking to you about mini Mac applications, special hardware like the Stream Deck video right here. And he just goes in, he just explains to you what it is. So let me send a shout out to Alec. Aloha, Alec. Boom. And I'm back out of here. So yes, it will take you some time to memorize your slides or memorize your keys, but you could do something like take Alec's Stream Deck video and learn how to put this on a Stream Deck. I'm not even using a Stream Deck. I'm using a standard all-American keyboard and coming here and just making changes like this, including bringing up my lower third and making sure I raise the correct hand. But we're just not going to care. If you really want to get out of your own way and get to just creating the content that's going to allow your channel to grow, allow your community to grow, allow your people to know who you are, you got to be willing to put perfection away and just let it happen. Just record. The coolest thing about what I'm doing now, I am doing this as a recorded video, but I actually could have scheduled this as a live stream. And once that live stream was done, I could turn it off or don't allow people to comment so you don't get distracted. Then I can put it in unlisted and then go and add my thumbnail and my descriptions, all of my changes and stuff I want, anything I wanted to adjust, and then put it right back up as it's a video on your channel, and it will work just as fine. So again, giving props back to my man AJ who does his videos, but giving props to my man Omar over here who is showing you how to make the video. And again, I do suggest you watch this video. It's very good, but it's kind of funny how as creators, great minds think alike. I was literally thinking of this exact same video because I have so many people saying to me how much they hate editing and feel like that's slowing them down when it comes to being a content creator. So forget it. Don't edit. Let it out. If you make any mistakes, Nobody cares. If the information is good, if I'm telling you right now how you can hit the Powerball in the next 3 days, you would watch it and you wouldn't care how many times I screwed it up or my glasses was like crooked, or nobody cares. If the information is solid, which I know you can do because you know what you're talking about, that's all anybody really cares about. And you know what to say when people come into the, comment stream and they say something stupid? Nothing. Just laugh at them. Just ignore them. You do not know them from Bob. They don't know you. I wouldn't sell my house based on their advice. I wouldn't buy a car based on their advice. I wouldn't even eat a taco stand based on their advice. So ignore them. They have nothing to do with you or what's going on in your world. Let me talk to you about one more thing. I have just recently launched a new site, and with this site, I got a couple of courses coming up and some things like that. You can reach it down here. If you're looking to get better at doing things like these type of interviews on the fly, I am doing a course on interviews. So you can come here and check out my Mastering Interviews course. It's on sale right now through Black Friday, and that will allow you to get better at just talking off the top of the dome, interacting with your audience, growing your community that way. The other thing that I got going for you here is I have personalized coaching. So if you find that you're in a position where you'd like to get some personalized coaching, look at that live video. I forgot to turn the camera on for this one. Boom, there we go. If you're in a situation where you need some personalized coaching and you want to get better at this, and maybe you don't want to talk to a young kid who's fresh and new, come and talk to an OG. I'll get you started. I can help you out, and you can find out all of that information over at createbetter.life. And again, sometimes you just press the wrong buttons, but nobody really cares because the link is right there, and the link will be in the description. Now, what's going to happen is I'm going to bring up a couple more videos that I think you should watch. Just run with it. Check them out and get further down into creating your videos. Just create these videos.